Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Sonic Resonator Blueprint in Subnautica 2. First things first, use your life pod as your starting point for navigation. What you'll want to do is check the compass at the top and head around 340 degrees north-northwest. As you keep swimming in that direction, you'll eventually come across a small light source beside a cave entrance. If you head inside, you'll find the first Sonic Resonator fragment on the table, which you can scan. You'll need 2 scans to unlock the blueprint, so for the second one, head back out of the cave and from this spot head around 10 degrees north. Eventually you'll come across the old habitat. Enter through the back entrance of the right building. Just by the entrance on the table to the right, you'll find the second Sonic Resonator fragment ready to scan. After scanning both fragments and checking your fabricator, you'll now be able to craft the tool yourself. And that's how to find the Sonic Resonator Blueprint in Subnautica 2. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.